Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to change your Facebook password. Now let's begin. On any browser of your choice, simply type facebook.com and hit on enter right now. As you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Once you've logged in, you can see the home page right here. Now we simply want to change our password. At the very top right, you'll find your profile icon right here. Next to the notification bell, simply click on the profile icon and something like this will open up. From this, what you need to click on is settings and privacy. Just click on it. Once again, click on settings. You're now going to be redirected to the settings and privacy page. What we need to focus right now is on the left hand section of the screen. Simply scroll down. There are lots of things that you can look at. But right now we simply want to change our password. Right under this account center tab, you will find something like see more in account center. Just click on it. You will then be redirected to the account center. Now what we want to do is change our password. Right under the account settings tab, there is something like password and security. Just click on it. Now right here there are options like change password, two-factor authentication, save login and others. Simply click on the change password button right here. Select the account for which you want to change the password. Now simply enter your current password right here, and after you've entered it, enter your new password and again retype it right here. I'm gonna do it right now. Do note that you also have the option to click on this checkbox. Once everything's okay, simply hit on change password. And there you have it. We have successfully changed our Facebook password. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how we change your Facebook password. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.